It's funny because a lot of you guys will send me messages, ask me what to text a girl. Like, oh, I met this girl. What should I text her because she's not responding? Or what should I text her to try to get her out? She's not returning. She hasn't returned my text in 2 days. You know, and it's like you want me to give you this magic formula for texting that will magically get the girl out. Because if you're needing to text the girl in order to get her out on a date with you, you are technically in what we call damage control. You're in damage control from a botched approach. And you might not think it was a botched approach because you'd be like, I got her number. What's up? It's a botched approach because you're having to work game on her to try to get her out through text. You shouldn't have to do that. When you do a proper approach and you do a solid close, it makes texting 1,000 times easier. When you do a solid approach, it doesn't even matter what you text the girl. You could text her like, hey, come out tonight. Let's go have drinks at 9 o'clock. Be there. She'll show up. She'll be like, yeah, cool. There's not gonna be any of this like, oh, should I send her emojis or what should I text her? What should I text her now? None of this. The only reason why you would need, you would be in a position where you need to text a girl to try to attract her over text is because you botch the approach. Every single time, okay? When you learn how to do a solid approach and you get the girl's emotions pumping during your approach, you get her out on an Insta date with her, you get her emotionally investing in you to the point where she can't wait to see you again, she can't wait to get your text. Believe me, when you text her, she's gonna be excited to return your text. You're not gonna really have to think twice about it. A lot of times when I text these girls, I don't even think about it. I'm like driving my car half the time. I'm like texting her like, hey, what are you doing right now? What are you up to later? Let's get together. I'm going here, or I'm gonna meet up with some friends later. Why don't you come meet me? I mean, my texts are very basic. There's no magic in them. You know why? You know where the magic takes place? The magic takes place in the approach. I do a solid approach, so I'm not in damage control later. A lot of you guys are in damage control because you botch your approaches. You're not following my 5 steps. Open, false time constraint, build attraction, build comfort rapport, then close. Those are the 5 steps. But instead, a lot of you guys open, comfort build, kind of try to build an attraction. You know, you totally bounce around the steps, and you can't do that. It has to be in order. Okay, it has to be in order. Okay, whether you're doing direct or indirect. Now, when you go indirect, it's a little bit different, but not by much. Okay, you're still gonna open the girl. If you open her indirectly, you're gonna have to do what I call a transitioner. You're gonna have to transition into attraction building. Okay, so if you open her like, hey, do you know where the nearest Starbucks is? Yeah, it's that way. Oh, this way? Yeah, that way. Oh, wow, those are cool rings. Where'd you get that? You know, or oh, wow, what nationality are you? Oh, I'm half this, half that. Oh, okay, because I thought you were like half Hispanic and, you know, half white or something. No, why would you think that? You know, you transition your indirect approach into attraction building, and then you resume the normal 5 steps, right? Where you opened, attraction building, and then you might false time constraint, like, oh, I'm supposed to meet some friends in a little bit, but I was gonna grab this quick coffee at Starbucks. Why don't you come with me? It'll be like 2 seconds. I have to meet my friends later anyway. Come with me, come with me. Okay, then you can continue building attraction with her, and then and only then do you jump in a comfort building. Understand? Then after comfort building, what? Close. Simple as that. Okay, but you do not jump right into comfort building without building attraction. That's what these beta male bitches do. That's what every beta male orbiter in that girl's friend zone now has done. That's why he's in the friend zone. Okay, and he doesn't know how to get out. Okay, and there's a simple way to get out of the friend zone, by the way. It's called Dread Game, which I teach you guys in another coaching video that's in 7 months of mastery. This is why you guys got to be in 7 months of mastery, man. I'm teaching you everything. I teach you everything in 7 months of mastery, right? And I'm plugging it. Yeah, I am plugging my program because it's that good. And if you're not in it, you're missing out. You're not learning these things that you need to learn. Okay, they're very, very important for gaming, especially these days, especially in these times. And like I always tell you guys, pickup really is the very first window into the manosphere, into the red pill world for a lot of guys. You know, game and pickup really has opened the doors to the manosphere and the red pill world. I mean, initially, people discovered the red pill community through pickup artistry. They got involved with the pickup community and they were like, wow, you know, all this anti-dating advice actually works, rather than everything we're told by our parents, teachers, and society growing up. Like, be nice to a girl, buy her flowers, show up on time, tell her she's pretty, show your emotions, tell her how you feel. How many times you heard that, right? Tell her how you feel. You gotta tell her how you feel. Then the girl loses, like, all the mystery that she felt about you is like completely gone because you've told her everything, and then she's on to the next sucker, right? She's on to the next chump. But now, thanks to the pickup community, you learn not to do these things, right? It's your first taste of red pill life. It's your first taste of leaving the blue pill matrix, so to speak, right? That blue pill matrix that so many guys are still stuck in. It's so sad. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell up top so you get notified every time a new video is released. And if you have not yet done so, make sure you sign up for my monthly online coaching program, 7 Months to Mastery, where I'm teaching you all of my latest, most recent, and most advanced pickup techniques for going out there and picking up only 8s, 9s, and 10s, the most attractive women on the planet. Okay, and take it from somebody who's actually out there doing it. Okay, I've been doing this a long, long time. I've been doing pickup my entire adult life, and I've been teaching pickup for many, many years to thousands of students all around the world. I have many, many success stories from students who got in my program less than 6 months ago. These guys are already dating hot women. Okay, and I want you to be the next one. So if you haven't gotten in 7 Months Mastery, click that link below, take it over to my website, and you can get signed up right now. It just takes 2 seconds. The first month is only $1, and I will see you in my next coaching video.